You know, what's hard is when you finally get the opportunity to just rev the dog shit out of something, trying to narrow it down. You gotta go, like, I'm saying three. One is gonna be for, medium. The next one, medium to hard. And then the third one, just fucking hardcore. So now, since I've got so many to choose from, I gotta go by three. And that's still a hard choice. It's like, what's gonna inflict it the best and look the hardest? Them audios. Of course, these DCs that got on now. Top three. What do you think?